Hello everyone. Today's lesson is subtracting whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? So the basic one-digit whole numbers are 0 up to 9. You can make multi-digit whole numbers from these single-digit whole numbers. So today's lesson is subtracting whole numbers. We will take 12 and 25. We need to subtract 12 from 25. Let's look at how to reduce 12 from 25. Okay, I wrote the 25 and 12 and I have to find the answer. I have to take the solution here. 5 minus 2. What's the answer? That is 3. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. What's the answer? That's 1. Okay, let's move on. Subtract 1896 from 6753. So we have to subtract 1896, that is a smaller number, from 6753, that is a larger number. So we can do the subtraction. And remember that we have to align numbers based on their positions. Once you write the larger number on top and then you're writing the smaller number that is to reduce the number that is to reduce below the larger number. And when you're writing, keep in mind that position is important. You cannot write 6 in tens place. 6 should be in ones place. 9 should be in tens place. 8 should be in hundreds place. 1 should be in thousands place. Okay, now we wrote both the numbers and let's start reducing, or let's start finding the result. So we have to, let's first start from the ones position. We have to reduce 6 from 3. So 6 is a larger number, 3 is a smaller number. We cannot reduce a larger number from a smaller number. So that we can't. What are we going to do now? So what is the nearest position? That is tens position. Tens position, here we have 5. So you can go to the tens position and request 1 from 10. So you go here, hello 10, can you give me 1? So 10 is going to give you 1 here. So now how many, what is the value of tens? Here it does not have 5 now, it has 4. So here we have 13 because here we have 5, but we have 5 tens. Now it has 4 tens and it gave us 1 10. 1 10 plus we had 3 here, then 10 plus 3 is 13. We have now 13. 13 minus 6, what's the answer? It is 7. Now here we have 4. Let us link this link, this link. Okay. Here we have 4 now. We have to reduce 9 from 4. Can we do that? No. Now what we do? We're going to hundreds. Hello hundreds. Can you give me 1? Yes, sure. So it gives you 1 here. And now hundreds have 6. Okay, now you have 14. It gave 100. That means 10, 10. 10 into 10 is 100. So here it gave 100. Now when it comes to tens position, it will become 10. 10 into 10 is 100. It will become 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So now we have 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. So we are done with this. Now let's do the hundreds. 6 minus 8. Can we do that? No. Again, we have to go thousands. Hello, thousands. Can you give me one? Yes, sure. So it gives 1 for you. And here does not have this 6. It has now 5. Now what we have to do? 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now this gave 1,000. That means 10,100. It gave 1,000 means 10,100. 10 multiplied by 100 equals 1,000. So it gave 10 hundreds. So we have 10 plus 6 here. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now we have 5 here. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. So that is how we do the subtraction, or we do reduce smaller number from a larger number. Okay, so the answer is 4,857. Okay, that's the answer. Let's do another one. Here, subtract 2,358 from 6,000. Okay, so I have given the answer here. Okay, let's do the reduction. So we first go to the ones position. Here we have to do, here we have 0. Here we have 8. We have to reduce 8 from 0. Can we do that? No. We go to tens place. We go to tens place. Hello tens, can you give me one? What tens says? Oh, I don't have any value. I have 0. So I can't give you one. Then what tens do? Wait, I will help you. Then 10 says, wait, I will help you. Then 10 goes to 100. Hello, 100, can you give me one? 100 says, I don't have any value. I am also 0. Can you please wait? I will help you. And it goes to thousands. Hello, thousands, can you give me one? Sure, I will give you. So it gives 1 for hundreds. So it gives 1 here. Now this has 5. So now we need to give tens. Now this gives 1 here. Now this has not this number 9. Now tens position has 10 now. So we have to give to ones place. So now this has 9, and here we have 1. So in ones place we have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, that's done. Here we have 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here we have 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here we have 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, that is also easy to reduce. Okay, let's do the exercises. Simplify the following. That is not difficult. Please follow the instruction that I told you in previous 2 subtractions and do the exercise and check your answers with this. And let's go to next one. Simplify the following. There are 6 questions or 6 subtractions that you have to do. So do the subtractions and check the answers with this. I have given the answers here. Now let's look at what is the third question. If Nima photo 475 coconuts, was able to sell 297 of them. How many coconuts were remaining? So what you have to do is you have to write down the coconuts that he took, and next the coconut that he sold, and then take the answer. So do the exercise, do this question, and check the answers with it. What is the next question? Fourth one. If there were 192 males in a gathering of 300 people, how many females were there? So there were a gathering of 300 people and 192 are males. So to find out how many females, we have to subtract 192 from 300. Do the reduction or do the subtraction and get the answer and check it. Okay, what's the fifth one? In a certain factory, 1,450 cars were manufactured in 2013 and 2,325 cars were manufactured in 2014. How many more cars were manufactured in 2014 than in 2013? So more cars manufactured in 2014 and some amount of cars in manufactured in 2013, which is less than in 2014. So how many more cars? That means we have to reduce the cars that were manufactured in 2013, that is 1,450, from the cars manufactured in 2014, that is 2,325. So do the subtraction and check the answer. Okay, now let's look at the sixth question. Heshan received 325 rupees from his father and 430 from his mother. So both the parents gave money to Heshan. If he bought a pair of slippers for 149 and a book for 225 from this money, how many money was left over? So he bought goods, slippers and a book. So first what we have to do? So we have to first find the money received from parents. So you have to add. You have to take the addition of 325 to 430. Okay, take the answer for that. And next you have to find out how many money you spent for buying goods. So that is pair of slippers, 149 and a book. So do add those two numbers and get the result. Then what you have to do is you now know how many you received and how many you spent. Now to find out how many money left over. So how many money remaining in your hand. So you have to reduce the money spent from money received. So once you get the answer, money spent from money received. So reduce money spent from money received. So then you will get the answer and check the answers with this. So that is all for subtracting whole numbers. Thank you very much.